So my wife completed the brain surgery of having the shunt put in. Thank God. She's got to recover now. She's probably going to need about 3 or 4 days. I don't know. She's going to need some time to recover, the poor girl. She's still on the ventilator. I spoke to one of the doctors in the ICU. I mean, this is before my wife even finished the surgery, the brain surgery for the shunt. And he's talking about another surgery. He's like, Rich, I think you should strongly consider us putting, it's a little hole they put in the throat. Okay, it's a track that, when people are on ventilators for a while, gives them the opportunity to breathe on their own better without the ventilator. I said, I understand that, but I don't think you understand something. This is the doctor in the ICU. My wife has lepto disease. This is the cancer that is so severe that only 5% of people with cancer have it. This is how severe this is, where the cancer is all over the brain and the spinal cord. If left untreated, you could pass away within 2 weeks to a month or a couple of months with this thing. My wife hasn't gotten treatment this whole time. She's been in the hospital since friggin' January 12th. A whole month. She got no treatment for her cancer. So I told her, I said, what's the recovery time on this track that you want to do? The little hole in the throat. He's like, it could take about 2-3 weeks, 2 months to recover. I said, yes. And guess what's going to happen? No one's going to want to do treatment on my wife because she's got to recover from the track, right? So once again, no proton therapy, no potential through the IV, the chemotherapy, the T-DXd. I'm just saying nothing to treat the cancer. So once again, I told them, okay, I've been saying this for a whole month. You got to focus on the cancer. Look, I get it. You got to fight the pneumonia. I get it. That's what they've been fighting for a whole month. She's been getting antibiotics, breathing, everything. The respiratory treatments, the ventilator, everything you can imagine. The bypass mask. She was on everything with the aspiration pneumonia. But I said, now you finished. You went from the EVD. That was the temporary port to drain the liquids in the brain. Now you went to the shunt, which is the permanent port. I said, give her some time to recover. Let's see if we can weed her off the ventilator. These people are all psychos. Like, we tried that already. It didn't work. We got to try again, I told them. I said, it's like, you fail once, you don't give up. You Mama Luke, you try again. You don't just give up. It's people, man. Trigger happy, man. Freaking cowboys, I'm a cowboy, baby. I said, you got to relax there, okay? Go get your shine box, I said. Go get your shine box. Go get a cigarette. Go make yourself a nice tuna sandwich. These people, they get trigger happy. My wife hasn't even recovered from this surgery. You're talking about another surgery. Are you out of your mind? Are you nuts? Relax, I said, Relax. Don't do it. Calm down. Relax. But anyway, I bought my wife the 3 to 4 days she needs to recover now. God bless her. So she's going to stay on the ventilator. She's got to recover from the shunt operation. Hopefully, they can weed her off the ventilator. I'm really on God. Please keep my wife, Jennifer, in your prayers. And remember, anybody who would like to do something from their heart, my family is going through a ridiculous hard time. My mother's fighting pneumonia also in rehab. It's crazy. I offer a service. It's called the Thank You Song. Okay, a very, very small entertainment tip. I'm a piano player. I write a beautiful jazz blues composition for you. It's an original composition on the piano. I call it the Thank You Song. I'm going to upload a short video, give you a big shout out for a very small entertainment tip. When you see a piano player in a piano bar, you throw a little something in there, an entertainment tip in the piano jar. Well, my piano jar is my Cash App. My Cash App is the $ RichardLevoi. Okay, that's my Cash App. $ RichArD. L as in Larry, E as in Edward, V as in Victor, O as in Oreo, I as in Idaho. There is no space, no underscore in between my first and last name. All of this information is in the description of this video. But once again, it could be $1, $2, $5, $10, whatever you want to do as a small entertainment tip. My Cash App, $RichardLevoi, $RichArD, L as in Larry, E as in Edward, V as in Victor, O as in Oreo, I as in Idaho. Like I said, just look at the description of this video. It has all the information. God bless you. Keep my wife in your prayers. Keep my mom in your prayers as well. God bless you and God bless your family.